Alright, good. So here's some light. That light outside is fine. That house across. Oh shit. Fucking. That is a lot of snow. Those sons of bitches have power, but we do not. This place is the land of darkness. The land of forbidden darkness. Oh, my. Fuck, they can't see this shit. That's my freaking. Coming up to like my calf muscles. Oh my god. This is an entire mound. Oh look, dude's shoveling out there.
Look at all that shit down there.
Oh no, here's a how the cars are just like blocked most of it. That's pretty fun.
But it's crazy. I was like all dark.
Let's go into the darkness.
Look at
You're gonna shoot magic missile. Oh Jesus, we can go over this mountain
Yeah,
of
I know.
snow. Oh fuck. And just to think, we have no. Oh God, I'm up to my knee.
To push you.
Don't.
I would push you if you didn't have your camera.
Oh, son of a. Ah. Christ. My legs are already cold.
How is this like empty? This is like clear right here.
Let's just plug the internet into one of those light poles. There's electricity in there. We could plug it into the CTA train. What about the Sev? Something has power there. Something's fucking sparkling.
Over there?
Yeah. Well, no, straight ahead here. Oh, but I can't see anymore because there's fucking a billion snowflakes rushing my face.
Oh yeah, you're right. There is.
Yeah, so we should go to the Sev.
You think so?
I want hot chocolate.
Okay.
Adventure through the darkness.
Whoa, wait, whoa.
What the? This is a mountain of snow. Stop it!
Because it's white, so you can't really see the dust in it.
Yeah.
Like this, I'm sure
Okay.
this is like weird how dark it is.
Yeah. If we go back there, they're gonna be like, "You guys are crazy." This is what happens when God takes away your internet. Maybe that's what this world fucking needs. For kids to get out of their house, we need God to take away our internet.
And explore the barren white snow.
Oh Jesus! It's a monster!
Holy shit!
I told you, it literally is a monster in the darkness. I'm a snowman! Shit! What the fuck?
Oh, the trees fell down. Was this mountain here?
No! Maybe there was some plowing done. Can we get through here? Ah, fuck. Yeah, we can. Look at that.
Oh, dude. You know why I like this? Because Mother Nature is trying to kill me right now.
Yeah. That's when you feel most alive. They better not have locked those doors. Ah! Looking down like this, I see nothing but white.
does have power.
Fuck yes.
It looks like someone's like stuck in front of us. Oh, my face. Oh god. Oh.
We should see if we can help him.
Yeah, there's no power along here at all.
I'm telling you, you should plug the internet into the train.
You should go help those people. Yeah, it's like this entire intersection's down. Like, holy shit.
Nothing but darkness. Don't be mean to me, tire. Oh, I mean, salt.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. I'm gonna turn you off.